Hi and welcome back. So to continue on where we left, let's try to automatically pick a random name from this selected range here. So again, let's do our old trick. Okay, choose random between. Okay, tab up. This is 1 to 5 because there are 5 rows. Randomly choose from this guy, comma, this one, comma, this one. Okay, close. There's Darren, and then we want to make this like what we have done for the previous block of change, the block of the Chinese names. Let's try to lock the rows up only. Okay, free the columns. Okay, so of course when you were to do this, this will be 0. Okay, because let me see, I generate a few names. Random between. Let's go to see the formulas. Okay, something isn't right. 1 to 4 really. Okay, it's 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, go back and change this to 4. Alright, generate all the way down. Then extend the columns. But really what you wanted over here is just you wanted to delete this because we don't really choose the second one, right? Bin here is a static value all the way through. So you can easily just say I delete this guy and then pull this over here. So you have this too, right? Now to string them up equals to concatenate. Concatenate Muhammad and then this guy. Okay, generated names, and then let me just scroll this all the way. Okay, it's too long. Okay, and then comma. So we have Muhammad, and then we have generated from this column L. And next, this will be bin, a static one, comma, and then coming back here, first one, which is inside of the column M. Alright, so Muhammad Zulkifli bin Amri, generate the names. Again, we face this issue of references. Why? Now, the reason is, let me see here. The reason is when we do concatenation, this actually switches. Now, I mentioned just now, this should be a static reference. We want to lock this up because this is Muhammad. Okay, we don't want it to, when you want to generate the autofill, it scroll down the rows. We don't want that. We want it to fix to one piece. So we are going to lock this 2 up. Okay, so locking this 2 and all the way. So Muhammad and bin right now, these 2, they are referencing only one column statically. Okay, they will not switch when you autofill. So you have this right now. Muhammad, Ali bin Ahmad, Zulkifli bin Ahmad. So all these are automatically generated. Okay, they are to an extent correct. I'm sure you are familiar with this already. So this will follow the same pattern. Generating the generating of your the female Malay friend's name. So Rida binti Ahmad, say, okay, or Hannah binti Amri. Or if you want to have more variations, you can always add to this range, extend this range. But bear in mind that when you change this, if you want to have this extended column list to be affecting this too, you will have to generate you have to come in and amend your formula. Okay, so I'll leave the other for your exercise. One last step, copy. Maybe I just wanted to have 5 and 5. This one, copy by value, like what we did just now. Okay, and the rest I can just remove. So I've got 5, okay, 4 Chinese names and 5, so it's 6 Malay names. That's fine. Okay,